directly from the Congress's own official handle. Using its own translation and caption, we are showing it exactly as Congress put it out. So there can be no allegation of selective editing or manipulation inside the Lok Sabha. Rahul Gandhi left little room for ambiguity. He asserted that the Home Minister had authorized the shooting of students. His words, not ours. But outside Parliament, speaking to the media, the certainty appeared to have softened. The language changed. The assertion became more qualified.
एक ऑप्शन की होम मिनिस्टर ने ऑर्डर दिया, दूसरा ऑप्शन की होम मिनिस्टर को मालूम नहीं था कि फायरिंग होगी. इन फर्स्ट केस ही इज कल्पेबल, इन सेकंड केस ही इज इनकॉम्पिटेंट. इट कैन ओनली वन ऑफ टू. इफ ही इज नॉट डन एनीथिंग, अगर कुछ नहीं किया, कोई ऑर्डर नहीं दिया, तो फिर बस सफा दे दें कि मैंने ऑर्डर नहीं दिया.
Was it a shift in position? You decide. But were the statements factual? The center says absolutely not.
जब गोली चली ही नहीं तो आदेश देने का सवाल ही नहीं पैदा होता.
कहां भी कहीं मार्च या प्रोटेस्ट होता है, वहां अगर आर्म्ड फोर्सेस या पुलिस होती है, वहां एक मजिस्ट्रेट होता है जो वहां तत्कालीन उस समय तत्क्षणात निर्णय लेता है. यह निर्णय देश के गृह मंत्री नहीं लेते हैं, वहीं मौजूद मजिस्ट्रेट लेते हैं.
आप माफी मांगिए, ये ठीक बात नहीं. आप ऐसे नहीं बोल सकते. How can he say that somebody ordered firing? You cannot make that statement. It is a serious allegation. आप प्रूफ दिखाओ. आपको माफी मांगना होगा सर.
Despite the uproar over his language, despite not producing any evidence to substantiate his charges, Treasury benches repeatedly said Rahul Gandhi should continue and complete his speech, of course, after an apology. Yet, throughout the proceedings, Rahul Gandhi kept insisting that his microphone had been muted. Now watch this sequence carefully and decide if the charge holds any water.
मैं बहुत विनम्रतापूर्वक अनुरोध करना चाहता हूं कि जिस असंसदीय शब्द का प्रयोग हमारे नेता प्रतिपक्ष ने किया है, उसे कार्रवाई से निकाल दिया जाए.
अपना व्यवस्था से निकल जाता है.
ओके, वो निकाल दिया जाए. और मैं आप सभी से ये अपील अपने पक्ष से करना चाहता हूं कि इस समय आप शांत रहिए, उन बात सुनिए.
माइक दीजिए, लेकिन बोलेंगे आप. माइक नहीं है.
माइक नहीं है सर.
माइक तो चालू है.
राहुल गांधी जी के पास कुछ बोलने के लिए नहीं है. हमने देखा 1 घंटे से कोई विषय बिल के बारे में नहीं बोले, कोई विषय जो डिबेट से संबंधित हो उसके बारे में एक शब्द नहीं बोल पाए. झूठ का फुलंदा सिर्फ राहुल गांधी जी के वक्तव्य में दिखता है.
Addressing media later, Rahul Gandhi repeated the charge that he had been muted. He refused to apologize for his comments earlier on the floor of the House, and then he raised the stakes, demanding that Prime Minister Modi sack Home Minister Amit Shah.
When we were Parliament House, I saw with my own eyes Amit Shah calling the police officers, Home Minister G on the phone. I saw it with my own eyes. I saw Jitendra Singh, the minister, getting call after call from Mr. Amit Shah.
तो हमारा कहना है कि स्टूडेंट्स को जस्टिस तो मिलेगी, आज नहीं तो कल. सरकार को हमारी एडवाइस है कि आप अमित शाह जी को हटा दीजिए और एक SC मॉनिटर्ड इंडिपेंडेंट हाई पार्ट कमिटी से प्रोब कराइए.
So tonight, ladies and gentlemen, the legitimate question is, after days of build-up over paper leak issue, when the time came to corner the government, did Rahul Gandhi dilute the issue and fail the students of India? Did he go to issues that he will never be able to substantiate? That's the question, and that's the debate on the other side.
You're watching the News Hour at 9. Debate number 1 on Times Now. Super Prime Time.
Join me tonight on the debate, Sudhanshu Trivedi, national spokesperson as well as member of parliament of the Rajya Sabha of BJP. Also joining us in just a bit is Krishna Prasad Teneti, member of parliament of Telugu Desam Party, Anand Ranganathan, author, scientist, political commentator, P. Santosh Kumar, member of parliament of the CPI in Rajya Sabha, Saling Sangma, member of parliament of the Congress in the Lok Sabha, Ghanshyam Tiwari, national spokesperson of the Samajwadi Party. I want to first begin with Sudhanshu Trivedi ji. Sudhanshu Trivedi ji, Rahul Gandhi has upped the stakes. He has now demanded the resignation of Home Minister Amit Shah. What he couldn't speak inside parliament, he's chosen to speak outside at a press conference. How do you respond?
First, I would like to reply. The question you asked is having two aspects. One is the constitutional and other is the political. As far as the constitutional aspect is concerned, it is very clear that whatever you speak on the floor of the House, it has to be substantiated. You cannot give a flimsy, out of the blue, any allegation. For example, if he said कि अमित शाह जी ने बच्चों को मारने के लिए गोली चलवाई, then Kiran Rijiju said, you cannot say this thing by taking the name of a person without having any fact to back it. उन्होंने example भी दिया. He said, nobody can say कि किसी के murder में राहुल गांधी का हाथ है. Because these type of things cannot be said. And press conference, whatever you want, Anap Shah, you can speak. But on the floor of the House, whatever you want, you have to just put up in a proper way. But one thing is to be very clear, the manner in which he is trying to score the political course, he seems that he is in competition and frustration with the cockroach party. The reason is, he never went to the place on which the students were staging a fast. He never went to the stage even when Son Wangchuk was there. He went here and there from Prime Minister residence to Indira Bhavan and here there. Finally, when he thought that the students have demanded and the education minister resigned. So out of like a childish approach that, oh, how come they got this? I have to claim something more, something bigger. So he has started saying about the resignation of Amit Shah ji. So this is nothing but a perpetual, characteristic, irresponsible, non-serious attitude of Rahul Gandhi ji and his consistent press conferences, which he claims that they are going to be of huge impact, but finally claim to be of nothing. You remember, he used the word at one point of time, dharti hil jayegi, bhuchal aa jayega. Wo pata tak nahi hila tha. When he said about a conference, hydrogen bomb phatega, wo hydrogen gas bhi nahi aayi thi. So I think what Rahul Gandhi ji is doing, it seems that his intention is very clear. He is not interested in having a proper debate on the floor of the House. He is interested just to create ruckus and try to draw the attention of the media and try to put forth that how angry as usual, मतलब वो कितने व्याकुल हैं, यह भी वो दिखाने के लिए प्रयत्नशील रहते हैं. So neither is having respect for the House, and the word which he used, idiot, it is unparliamentary. And if they say that he has not taken the name of anybody, how it can be attributed to anybody, then I would like to ask my friend from Congress party. Chhattisgarh Vidhan Sabha has banned the use of the word Bal Buddhi as unparliamentary. Though Rahul Gandhi is not the member of Chhattisgarh Vidhan Sabha and nobody has taken the name of Rahul Gandhi ji, then still the Bal Buddhi word was considered inappropriate. The Bal Buddhi is having nothing which can be inappropriate. Idiot word is definitely considered inappropriate. And lastly, I would like to see your millions of viewers which you are watching, they can go and search. There is a phrase, useful idiots, which was used by KGB when they were saying that they were using the people in India who were considered very intellectual.